Hi, this is Maria from Crochet A to Z, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button, and also please push that like button because it does help get the algorithms out there so everyone can find this channel. This is the Peephole Ripple. I love this. It's easy. First row of it. After that, the second row is a repeat row that you do over and over again. You don't have to count stitches. You don't have to count where you are. It's really easy, and I'm going to just show you how easy this is. Beginner to advanced, everyone in between. I go slow. You can write it down. You can follow along with me. Now, I wanted to say that I did this in a couple of colors, and I'm going to pull out a little bit. I did this in this color, and this is a Super Saver yarn by Red Heart, and this is called Lavender, this color. And I wanted to do it for those of you that are thinking that you're going to do stuff now and start your Christmas gifts. I wanted to do one that is Christmassy. So this is also a Red Heart Super Saver yarn, and this is called Mistletoe, and it's really pretty. And I wanted to show it to you in that colors and also in the plain. Now, of course, you can take this, you can do one row of one color or one or two rows of one color, and then you can mix and match the colors. That's up to you. You can change colors. So let's get started. And again, this is the Peephole Ripple. So I am using an eye hook. And for this tutorial, I chose to use a Lion brand yarn. And it isn't a 4-weight yarn. It's 100% acrylic. And the color of this is faded. And their series is called Jeans. And this is really a nice series because it gives you the different color of jeans. So if you wanted to make something for maybe someone a little younger that wants something in the jean colors, this is a great series that they have through Lion brand. I love this. I did make an afghan for my grandson in these colors of this collection, I should say. So let's get started. Why don't we? So the first thing we're going to do is and I'm going to just